Electric vehicles were supposed to be the future, quiet, sleek, and environmentally friendly. Remember when it seemed like everyone was ready to go electric? But fast forward to 2024, and the enthusiasm has hit a roadblock. Let me tell you why. Meet John, a long-haul truck driver who made the switch to an electric vehicle 2 years ago. He believed he was stepping into the future. But what John didn't anticipate were the hidden challenges that came with owning an EV, challenges that many drivers are only now discovering. John's first issue: range anxiety. His EV promises 300 miles on a full charge, but in reality, cold weather and heavy loads drain the battery faster than expected. Charging stations? Few and far between in remote areas. It's become a source of daily stress. Then there's the cost. With rising electricity prices, those cheap miles are starting to cost more. Add the hours spent waiting for a charge, while gas stations let you fill up in minutes. And John began questioning whether this upgrade was worth it. It wasn't just John. More drivers are realizing the same thing. Electric vehicles, while promising, still have major hurdles to overcome. From lack of infrastructure to unexpected maintenance costs, the dream of going green is being overshadowed by real-world challenges. But the question remains, can EVs adapt to meet the needs of drivers, or will the dream fizzle out? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you want to stay ahead on the latest in automotive trends, make sure to subscribe. Credits: written by your name, narrated by narrator's name, produced by Ownership TV.